What is going on, guys? Sterling here, and today we're going to be taking a look at WooCommerce coupons. We're going to run through setting a coupon up, and really, coupons are an awesome opportunity to get customers who maybe wouldn't be buying your products in the door, and also to build that sense of urgency of, hey, I got to buy this. This coupon's going to expire. This is a one-time deal. It's a really great way to use that, and also if you're doing email marketing or you want to call attention to specific sales, maybe a Black Friday sale or something like that. It's a great way to track your sales numbers and also just kind of get people who maybe wouldn't be included. So first things first, let's head over to our marketing tab. Now it used to be under products. I believe coupons was under products, but they moved it down to its own marketing tab. So let's go to marketing and coupons, and you can see that I created a Black Friday coupon already. Now we're going to create a Cyber Monday coupon. So let's click add coupon, and we're going to put in Cyber Monday. Now, something that I want to mention that's kind of cool is you can just click generate coupon code and it will automatically generate a random coupon code. So if you wanted to create just a random coupon code for somebody, or you wanted to not have to worry about naming it, you didn't care what it was, you could just generate one anytime you want. But I'm going to call this Cyber Monday sale, and we'll say 25. So this is going to be 25% off our Cyber Monday sale, so they can get 25% off of their cart. So now let's scroll down to our coupon data. We can add a description here. We'll say this is our Cyber Monday coupon, and then we'll just capitalize cyber as well. Now if we come down to our coupon data, let's run through some of these different settings. We have discount type. I'm going to quickly run through these. Percentage discount is of course percentage of cart. Fixed cart discount is going to be a dollar amount off of the cart. Fixed product discount is going to be a dollar amount off of your product. Now I have subscriptions on this website, and that's why I'm seeing these recurrings and the sign up fee. You would really only see percentage and fixed cart and fixed product discount. So let's just pick percentage discount, and I'm going to put in 25%. Because that is what we're going to be giving them off, is a 25%. Now we can pick an expiry date. Now I'm going to go just 1 week in the future. So that will be my expiry date. Or if I was doing Cyber Monday, I think it'd be the 30th. We probably expire that guy. And then we can allow free shipping if we want. If you are shipping a product and you want to include free shipping as part of this coupon. Let's go to our usage restrictions now. Let's take a look at those. So our first setting is minimum spend. This is going to basically make sure that people spend over a certain amount. So I'm going to say $80 is my minimum spend. So they have to spend up to $80 in order to use this coupon. You could set a maximum spend. If you're giving someone a 50% discount, you don't really want them to add $1,000 worth of product and only pay $500 for it. So you can set a maximum spend if you want as well. If you want the coupons to only be used and not be able to be stacked with other coupons, we could add that in, and we could exclude sale items. So you could say, hey, this item is already 25% off. You're not going to get an extra 25% off. Or you could allow them to do that by checking this box. It's going to cancel out and it's not going to enter it if there's already a sale on that item. So I'm going to leave both these unchecked. We can lock it to specific products if we want, or we can exclude specific products. Same thing with categories. We can lock it to a category, exclude a category, and then we can actually lock it to a specific email address. So if I wanted to say, I've got my friend Johnny, this is his email address, or I have a list of 30 students, I have their email addresses, I could add those comma separated to this field, and then they would be the only ones who are able to use this coupon code. Now let's go to usage limits. We can limit the uses per coupon. So if we had budgeted 30 of these coupons to be used to try to generate more traffic to our site, we could limit this to 30, and that way only 30 people are going to be able to use these coupons. After that, it's going to lock. Limit usage to X items. So we can say they're not able to add 100 items to the cart and get a 25% discount on all of those. So you could limit it to a specific amount of items, and then also limit to user. I would always usually probably put this to 1 unless you want a user to buy this multiple times. This is going to say each user can use it 1 time. So now that we have our coupon code saved and ready to rock, you can see I can come and copy that coupon code, and we will head to the front of the website to test this out. Let's go visit our store. And you can see that I have a few different products in here, but I have enough to get over my $80. I'm at 156, and then I will paste in my coupon code. So let's do that, and let's apply this coupon code. it's going to let me know that this coupon code was applied successfully. And then if I scroll down, we're going to see the amount that was removed. So 25% of 156 is $40 or $39. So $39 was taken off of this order. They can proceed to check out and check that out. Now, I want to come back to my coupon page, and you can get a nice little readout here of how many have been used, what your usage limit is, if you have an expiry date when that's happening, any products that you've locked this to. There's my description that I added, the coupon amount, and the coupon type, which is percentage discount. So really easy to at a glance pop into your coupons and see exactly what's going on, what your coupon is, and then you can just copy this and send it to somebody if you need to. Like I mentioned at the beginning, guys, coupons are an awesome way to build that urgency to let your customers know, hey, this is Black Friday, here is a special discount for you. And to also kind of track, you can see how many people have used what coupons. You can kind of compare that versus your normal pricing or running just a sales price. Sometimes people really like the idea of putting the code in and clicking the add coupon versus just having a sales price that's 25% off. That can even convert a lot better when somebody sees, oh, it's 25% off. Well, is it really? But when they get to add that coupon code in there and see that price change live, it's kind of a powerful thing. I hope this was very helpful. The coupon management in WooCommerce is super easy. If you have any questions, be sure to comment in the comment section. If you'd like to learn about any of the plugins that we've created, we have one called One Click Upsell and one called Handsome Checkout. Both are super awesome and will help you make more on your WooCommerce checkout. So if you would like to learn about those, description or links will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Throw a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.